If you are looking for the best garbage disposal, here is a collection you have got to see. Let's get started.
At any time, you can click the circle for more info and real-time deals.
Number 1. Most popular. InSinkErator Garbage Disposal. Evolution Excel from InSinkErator, one of the quietest models on the market. In addition to the sound seal technology some of its lower-end models have, there's a quiet collar sink baffle which is said to reduce noise by up to 60%. Of course, there's more to this model than just its low volume. You also get a lot of strength to grind everything from melon peels to chicken bones with a full 1 horsepower and a jam sensor circuit that increases motor torque 500% with continuous feed operation. Lastly, it has alloy stainless steel grind components, a 40-ounce chamber, and a leak guard liner. Number 2. Waste King L3200 Garbage Disposal. It's a 3/4 of a horsepower unit with stainless steel grinders that can stand the test of time, and because it's a continuous feed model, users can keep it running as they're adding food waste, convenient for most families. Features on the Waste King include a front-mounted reset button, a removable splash guard, and sound insulation meant to reduce noise during operation. Most reviewers say the noise is typical for garbage disposal, though some people complain of a loud click when it's first turned on. However, almost all are happy with the motor's power. Number 3. InSinkErator Garbage Disposal. This InSinkErator is fast, it gets top marks in expert tests for speed, and very good ones for fineness, noise, and ability to shred vegetable scraps. Other features include 2-stage grinding and sound seal technology that means less noise, and owners say they agree that this model is very quiet compared with other disposals. Some do note that the stopper doesn't always easily kick on the disposal, however. Installation is easy thanks to a quick lock sink mount, reviewers report, but no power cord comes with this model. It's backed by a 7-year in-home warranty. Number 4. Mowen GXS75C Host Series Garbage Disposal. This 3/4 of a horsepower continuous feed model is part of Mowen's Host series, intended for those who require a boost when cleaning up after cooking for friends and family. The Vortex permanent magnet motor's major claim is that it finely grinds food and therefore gets jammed less frequently than other options, and reviewers confirm that's true. They also rave that the rubber splash guard does a great job of catching unwanted items before they fall in. But if a spoon does slip through, the whole guard lifts out, allowing you to see where you are reaching your hand. Number 5. GEGFC525V Waste Disposer. General Electric's half-horsepower disposal comes with a convenient rubber gasket to seal the sink flange. However, it does not come with a corded plug, so you'll need to get one and wire it, or hardwire the unit. The disposal body is made from reinforced plastic and uses a twist lock connector on the sink flange. Your existing P-trap should connect easily to the discharge pipe with a compression fitting, not included. A connection for a dishwasher discharge hose is provided. GE lists this unit as septic safe in its documentation, and installation was straightforward with the instructions provided.
For more details, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching the video.